How much is your 1978 25-cent Washington quarter really worth? In this video, I'm going to go over a coin that sold for a lot of money that you need to keep your eyes peeled for because it could be worth a ton of money in your pocket change. So here's the thing you guys really need to understand is that when it comes to your coins, the condition is super important. But there are some dates that are not as valuable as others. The 1978 date for the Washington quarter, for the most part, will not be that rare and valuable unless you have a rare coin like this one. So when you're looking at the back of the coin, you can tell nothing crazy going on, just a normal looking Washington quarter. It's only when you flip the coin over to the front that you can tell that something is really wrong. That's because the obverse, or the front of the coin, clad layer is missing. So these coins have a clad layer on top of this coin that gives it the shiny appearance that you're typically used to seeing. Now there are some people out there that will try to alter the coins to make them appear to be heirs. I mean, just imagine having a handful of Washington quarters worth a few dollars and then trying to alter them, turning them into hundreds or thousands of dollars. That's why getting your coins graded is a very smart idea if the value is there. Now, I don't want you guys wasting your money on a coin that's not valuable. So make sure you know what you have before sending it off to grading. This coin right here sold in auction recently for $97. Now, even if you're watching this video in the way future, there's still a very good possibility that your coin could be worth a ton of money, if not even more than this. I'm launching a coin and currency mastermind class that is coming soon, so click the link below to join the waitlist and I will see you inside.